In this video, I'm going to show you how to build map citations for Google My Business and SEO. I'm now on a search on Google, exactly that shows on the bottom of the search results, the related searches, and we can see that citations are actually important and a lot of people will actually search for citations. So let me share with you my tool that I have been using for the past probably 8 years now. That I do recommend for building your citations. So the tool that I really like is the Bright Local tool. And when you create an account, there's an option to sign up for some paid SEO service, which is absolutely not necessary for you at this stage. So you don't really need to subscribe to anything, to opt into anything, or pay for anything at this stage. So I have a random Google My Business page added just here, as you can see. So after creating the account, you will be able to add your business. You would simply go to add locations and then add location and add the information about your business, follow the steps, and you will be guided through the process to actually get your business added. It's really simple, really takes a moment. Now, as you get it added, you will see it here. So we click on view and we'll need to go to the citation builder. The Bright Local tool has quite a few different options for SEO. So I really like their citation builder, and this is what I use. So we are on the citation builder. As you can see, they have a few options on the left sidebar menu. You only really need the citation builder. Add your information here, your working hours, add some photos, your social handles. After adding your information in here, you will be landed on a new page where you can select the sites that you want to build citations on. I would recommend selecting 25 of those sites, and I normally like to choose any site with a higher rank without the phone verification. This will make your process easier as you don't need to have your phone verified. So I would select 25 websites to build citations on. I would make the payment. It's $75 per 25, which is a very fair price for that service. And it will normally take 3 to 5 weeks usually to get your citations built. So these citations, they do really help your Google My Business SEO as long as you are actually adding this as part of your overall SEO strategy. They are effective, they are helpful, and I have no affiliation with Bright Local, but I have been using them for years and I can recommend this citation building service. So I hope this helps. Take care.